Good morning. Welcome to my channel on this very lovely morning in Johannesburg in Midrand. This video is about a short tour of this Airbnb where I spent the night. I'll just open the doors to show you. Actually, I'll start from the beginning. This is the main entrance to the door, and that's the view when you enter the apartment. It's got all the essentials that you need for a long stay or a short stay. It's got a fridge where you can buy a few items if you're staying for longer. Then you got your microwave. There's a cooker here and an oven down there, and you can wash your clothes as well. So it's not but it's got a fast spin, so your clothes should come out a little bit damp, but they'll quickly dry. And that's the rest of the kitchen. It's all in one. It's an open plan area. Sorry about the bags because I'm gonna check out in a minute. And you've got your settee or your sofa to relax and watch TV or telly. This room is locked. I think it's a second bedroom, and that belongs to the host. And this is one of the bathrooms. This is bathroom number one. It's got a shower. It's got a bathtub. That is if you like having a bath. And this is the bedroom where I spent the night. Very cozy bed, comfortable, and this is bathroom number 2. Still water on the screens because I've just had a shower. That's bathroom number 2, and it's got some cupboards, wardrobes, not cupboards. Got an iron. You got an extra blanket if you get chilly at night. Then you've got another area where you can put your suitcases. There's an ironing board to iron your clothes and some coat hangers. And when you wake up in the morning, this is the view that you're looking at from your bedroom window. This area is quite new. Don't know how long it's been built, but it looks fairly new. It's a very secure estate where for you to enter you have to have a passcode that you give to the security. Then they'll check your ID before you enter, then they'll let you in. So they do that every time you have to enter the estate. So it's quite secure, and this is the view from your balcony, from the living room. It's still winter, but it's nice and warm. It's warm for me. I don't know about the guys in Southern Africa because I'm used to very cold temperatures. But for me, it's quite warm. I'm already sweating, and very soon I'll be checking out and exploring Johannesburg. And that's you can chill here as well in summer when it's nice and hot, and just relax here and soak in the atmosphere. It's a well-kept apartment. Close proximity with the Mall of Africa, which is just behind us here, which is probably a 5-minute drive and there's shopping malls. I think there's one shopping mall down there where you can go and get your few essentials. Johannesburg is 40 minutes away, but at the moment I think most people are kind of like moving away from Johannesburg, hence these newly built houses everywhere, and new cities being built. I think there's a new city that's being built nearby. It used to be Santon, but not anymore. From what I hear, there's another city that's being built. So I think a lot of people are moving out from Johannesburg because it's not safe. You're always having to look behind your shoulder. You have to be careful when you're driving to see, lock all your doors. So people don't like that. They like this secure environment like this one here, where you can relax and not be worried about your safety and your security. There's a river that's flowing here, but looking at it, there's a lot of white bubbles on it. I think it's contaminated, which is said really if it was left natural, it could be a beautiful place for nature to thrive, but at the moment it's polluted with chemicals. Anyways, thanks to Busisiwe, who's my host, for a very lovely place. I really enjoyed my stay here. Very peaceful and very quiet, not a lot of noise. So thank you for allowing me to stay in your apartment, and I'll drop the link down below. It cost me £30, but they've added £5 some fees or something from the Airbnb, so I think that's the fee for reserving a booking, but it's only £30, so I don't know how much that is in dollars. Probably about $40, which is quite reasonable if I was in the UK to rent a place like this. If you're lucky, it depends on the location, you're looking at parting with £60 to £70 a night. So for me, it's quite a reasonable price. So I'll definitely, next time I'm in South Africa, if I want to stay a little bit longer, I'll definitely be booking with Busisiwe whenever I'm in Johannesburg. So today's plan of action, we're gonna leave this place. I'm gonna drive through Johannesburg to Gautrain, which is another neighborhood just near, I think it's near Soweto if I'm not mistaken, to do a little bit of exploring and visit a few relatives. So stay tuned, and if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And that's it for now. I will catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.